Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Wells Fargo for online bill pay easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.wellsfargo.com and press enter. Once the Wells Fargo homepage loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. In the drop-down menu, select Bill Pay. You will be directed to the Bill Pay login page. If you are a new user, look for the option that says Enroll. Click on Enroll to start the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your Wells Fargo online banking username and password. If you don't have an online banking account, click on the link to create one. Follow the prompts to set up your online banking account by providing your personal information. Once your account is created, return to the Bill Pay enrollment page. Enter your newly created username and password. After logging in, you will be directed to the Bill Pay setup page. Fill in the required fields, including your billing address and contact information. Choose your preferred payment method and any other necessary options. Review the terms and conditions, then agree to them. Click on the Continue button to proceed with your enrollment. You may receive a confirmation message indicating your registration was successful. Once confirmed, you can begin adding payees and setting up your bill payments. Ensure that you explore the various features available within the Bill Pay service. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the layout and options provided. Congratulations, you are now registered for Wells Fargo's online bill pay service. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.